What's up guys, my name is Team Crypto. Welcome to the Genius Lamp, and in this video I will explain trading fees at Binance Crypto Exchange, and also I will show you how to massively reduce trading fees and save lot of money on Binance. Let's go to the Binance website, and right down below we can see fees. When you click on that, the fees take us to the fees schedule, and you can see the trading fee level. I am at VIP 0 and the first level. You can see the bottom trading fee levels, and you have to trade lot more volumes of Bitcoin to trade up. So if you have trade less than 15 Bitcoin per month, so you are at VIP 0, and VIP 0 means you have to pay 0.1 fee for making and taking in the market. So, and also you can see down below there are up to 10 VIP levels. So you can see VIP 0 making and taking trading fee percentages here. And if you are maker is who is put limit order providing liquidity, a taker who is put market order taking liquidity, and the 0.1 for both. And VIP 1, 2, 3 and so on for down is the making is less expensive. And if you use BNB for pay your trading fees, you will get 25% discount. And also if you are like to trade in USDM futures or CoinOn futures, you have my Binance tutorial about USDM futures and CoinOn futures. You can follow that. I will just give you the link in the description down below, so you can see. So this is actually a segment of my complete Binance tutorial. This is also available in YouTube, so if you want to learn more about Binance, I will put the link down below in the description. And if you have any problem, comment down below and subscribe to my channel for daily contents about Binance tradings, and see you in next video.